Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. So firstly, we need to check if you have the latest version for your earbuds. Open Huawei Life application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now scroll down and at the left bottom we have update. Tap at this line and you check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see button download and install. Tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Now if the update didn't help you, we need to place these earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level for your charging case and your earbuds will update. After 15 seconds, just open the app, open the case and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button and you need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds until the LED lights start blinking red. So press and hold, firstly it starts blinking white, it's okay, just enter to pairing mode, you need to keep holding this button. Here we go, now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. You will see the not all Android phones have this button, but if you have, you need to click on it. Or maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or you can also go back and return to the Bluetooth, but right now on iOS 26 it doesn't work, so we need to only turn off and turn on. After that, after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. You don't need to use connectional button to enter pairing mode, just tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!